This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
Here we go to some more race calls now. Out there on the water, we've got a second semi coming around. 2 of 2 for race 574. Open men B6 500. It's the big boys out to play once more. Save my breath, excuse me, I can barely contain myself. In lane 1, we've got Canada, Paddle 360, Kazi Black. In lane 2, New Caledonia, Tuha Paiva Amen. In lane 3, Tahiti, Team OPT. In lane 4, New Zealand Aotearoa, Peniula, Team Peniula. In lane 5, from New Caledonia, ASPTT Va'a. Lane 6, Tahiti Shell 2. And lane 7, Canada, KPC Northern Pioneers. We have a red and black flag out there. They're just getting organised. And green flag. We're off to a stellar race start with these big guns, and it's drag racing at its finest. How's this going to pan out, ladies and gentlemen? Lane 6, Shell 2 from Tahiti's looking good across that start. And then along from them, in lane 4 from New Zealand, Aotearoa, it's Peniula, Team Peniula. They are neck and neck as they pass the first row of boys. And on the inside of lane 4, looks like it's lane 2, New Caledonia, Tuha Paiva Amen. And that's how they're lining up currently right now. Oh yeah, it's Tahiti Shell 2. Look at that incredible technique, ladies and gentlemen. That looks beautiful. It's poetry in the motion. But equally, just across from them, also looking fantastic with some beautiful technique, is lane 4, New Zealand, Peniula, Team Peniula. They are neck and neck. They look like they're both pulling heaps of water out there. This is drag racing. They've crossed the finish line. Who's going to pull out? Who's going to kick? Who's going to snap? Who's going to do what to compel their Waka over the line first for the final? At the moment, New Zealand Peniula, Team Peniula, looks like they've inched in front just by a hair of a freckle. Is Shell 2 going to let that hold? No, they're pushing up. They're evening up the score. Oh my goodness, this is going to be tricky to call. I can't tell. It's Peniula, Team Peniula. It's Shell 2. Peniula crossed that first. Peniula won it. It's New Zealand in lane 4. It's Peniula, Team Peniula. It's Shell 2. Shell 2. Shell 2 and Team Peniula, ladies and gentlemen. That's how I think it went. And then out there is it. Lane 2 looks like from here. I think it could be lane 2 or lane 3. No, it might be lane 3. That's next. That is Tahiti Team OPT. What an exciting race, ladies and gentlemen. This is all unofficial. Please rely on live results for your official results. And back to some calling now. And we're under starters orders out there on the water for race 575. This is the best of our open women. Our wahine out there, semi 1 of 2 in lane 2 Canada. Toronto Harbour, a woman in lane 3 for New Zealand. Harota Kaiarahitoa. And lane 4 for Tahiti, Ihilani. Lane 5 New Zealand, Uawa Kiremamai. Lane 6 New Zealand, Peniola Tavake. And lane 7 USA 6-pack. And we have a black flag, ladies and gentlemen. We're just getting organised on the start line there. And the flag is down, the green flag is up, and they're off to a beautiful race start. Slightly advantageous start on the outside here from this angle, perhaps for lane 8 and lane 6. Oh, wait. Do I have a lane 8? Okay, let's see who we have out there in lane 6. It's New Zealand, Peniola Tavake. It's lane 6 doing beautifully there. Look at that beautiful technique. New Zealand, Peniola Tavake. That looks like they're taking the lead. And close behind them, who can I see? It's probably across there in lane 4, Tahiti Ihilani. And these ladies are looking beautiful as they come down the first leg of the course. They haven't yet hit halfway. They're looking to take the lead and take out the final. This is semi 1 of 2 for the open wahine. Just to give you a full breakdown of who's out there. Lane 1 is Malova, open woman, an updated progression. Lane 2, Toronto, Canada. Lane 3, Horota Karahitoa. Lane 4, Ilahidi. Lane 5, Uawa. Lane 6, Six Packs USA. And lane 8 is Canada. And still in the lead out there by a hair of a freckle. It looks like from here it's Peniola Tavake. They're still holding a bit of a lead out there, ladies and gentlemen. Who's pushing up on them? I believe on the inside it's lane 4, Tahiti Ihilani. It's lane 6 and then potentially lane 3, Kaharota Kaiara. They're pushing hard. It's lane 3 coming through. It's Kaiara by the looks of things. Is that what I said? And Peniola Tavake and Kaiara and Hilani Tahiti between. It's Tahiti in the sandwich this time. Kaiara Tavake. Kaiara Oh, that was too close to call. It looked like Kaiara from Harota. Ihilani lane 4 from Tahiti, and then Peniola Tavake maybe at the final, ladies and gentlemen. It was really too close to call. That was progression race 575. Open woman B6 500 semi 1 of 2. Please check the live results. Back to some more race calls. We have a race start for race 576 on the water. That is a progression race. It's our second semi 2 of 2 for our open women 500. I want to say V8 the way they're paddling out there. Let me tell you who's on the water. It's lane 1 USA West Coast Outrigger, lane 2 Hawaii 86 Kilohana, lane 3 New Zealand Ocean Blue Malohi, and lane 4 New Zealand Cook Island Tiare Māori. Lane 5 is New Zealand Hayata MJs, lane 6 is Tahiti Teva, lane 7 is Hawaii 59 Kaiahitu, and lane 8 USA Sandpoint Imuamako. And early shooting out the front is New Zealand's Hayata MJs. Look at them go. Following hot on their heels is lane 6 Tahiti Teva, and also on the other side New Zealand Cook Island Tiare Māori. Tiare Māori have a beautiful setup going on out there. They look like they're taking it easy and conserving. Lane 6 looks like they're having a bit of a push up there, and they're trying to catch lane 5. It's New Zealand Hayata MJs. They're maintaining a strong lead. They've got a powerful stroke coming through. Let's see if they can hold on to that lead in the semi 2 of 2. And they're out the front, but it could be lining up kind of evenly. No, it's still lane 5. With quite a bit of an advantage, maybe 1 or 2 seats as they cross the finish line. They're coming down to the business end of this drag race. Who is it? Who holds the lead? 5 and 4. It's looking like it could be between Hayata MJs in lane 5 and lane 4 Cook Island Tiare Māori at this stage. But Hayata MJs, they're digging it in and they're putting on a bit of a push towards the finish line. They're pulling out, ladies and gentlemen. They're a couple of seats ahead of Cook Island Tiare Māori next to them, and it looks like it's going to be Hayata MJs from New Zealand. They'll cross the finish line first, and they're followed closely by Cook Island Tiare Māori and lane 6 Tiva Tahiti. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, these women are amazing.